Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your username or password of TP-Link device. So here I'm on the official website of the TP-Link.com. So here, note that it will be assumed that you already have logged in into your TP-Link device's web management UI. So web management UI is varied by model. So no web management UI is required for SOHO switches and adapters. So here you have to choose the category of your device in the table below. So you just have to click on any of these. To find the correct product category of your model, you have to click on here. So for Wi-Fi routers, since that is what we're going to do for now, go to Advanced, which is in here, tap on the System Tools, there, and then go to Administration. Once you tap on this one, this options will show up, so you have to click on Administration, and then just enter the old username and old password. Old username and an old password in here. Then enter the new username and enter the new password as well. New username in here and new password in here. So both cases are sensitive. So once you're done with that, click on save. Then use the new username and password for the following logins. So save, and also you can add password recovery. So tap on save. So here, let's say for example, we have the example B. So click on our System Tools here, and then on the left panel, then you will be prompted to change your login information. So here, old username, old password, new username, new password. So the system will send you back the login screen. Then you have to use the new username and password for the following logins. So just tap and save right here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!